Hello everyone. As you might remember, some time ago I was sponsored by JPFans and I recorded a tutorial on how to order from their website, and I am happy to announce that the package which I had ordered has finally arrived. If you're wondering how long it took for the package to ship from Japan to Poland, I chose I think the slowest shipping method, and it only took about a week, I think, since it was shipped for it to arrive at my house. So I am very surprised by how quick it was. The topic of my tutorial was specifically how to order CDs from Japan, and that is what I did. I had only ordered CDs. When JPFans approached me, I figured it's a great opportunity to expand my Visual Kei CD collection. As of now, I only owned two Visual Kei CDs, Malice Miser's Mervella and Muad'Dib's Nocturnal Opera. Once again, huge thanks to JPFans for sponsoring me. Anyway, let's open up this package right now. By the way, if you're wondering, the value of the package was around $150, I think. The shipping was around $50. And the 23% tax that we have here in Poland that I had to pay to the postman was like $40, I think. Okay, so my first impression is that the package is very nicely packed. I've been struggling with it for like 5 minutes. Okay, I had finally managed to open it up. So here's how it looks like inside. Each CD is wrapped individually in this foil, which is kind of cool. There is a lot of bubble wrap inside, by the way. Every few layers of CDs there is one bubble wrap to hold them. Okay, so now that I had unpacked everything, I'm gonna show you guys one by one exactly what I got. So first of all, the one that I'm the happiest about is Malice Miser's Memoir. It is the DX version, which means that it includes the bonus track Baroque that they included in the DX reissue of the album. If I do buy from JPFans again in the future, which I'm pretty sure that I will try to complete my Malice Miser discography. After that, we have two Duran Gray CDs, Withering to Death, I don't know if you can see it well, and Ghost, my two favorite Duran Gray albums. Here I have a limited edition of The Gazette's Nil. Got it for a very good price. I thought it is important for me to own this one because Tyon was the first Visual Kei song that I had ever heard. And also this is my favorite The Gazette album. Here is Yusei Teikoku's Pax Vesania and Hades the Other World. Yusei Teikoku is one of my favorite bands. They are not Visual Kei though. Another non-Visual Kei one, but one that I really like, Yajima Mai, a very cool power metal singer. Hell on Earth, Innocent Emotion and Heretical Soul. And also her first full-length album, Vampiress. If I remember correctly, these three are limited editions. So. Gekt's first single, Miserable. Here I have X-Japan's Blue Blood, probably the most important Visual Kei album in history. And here I have Malice Miser again with Beast of Blood. So yes, now I own releases from all three eras of the band, because I own Memoir, Mervella and Beast of Blood, all eras covered. Here I have a Sex Android album, the name of which escapes me at the moment. It's like something killer. I really like this album. It's probably kinda hard to see because of the colors of the artwork, but here I have a special edition of Exist Trace's Virgin album. My favorite Exist Trace album, I really like it. And finally, here are two CDs because the seller was selling two at once, so they packed them together. Raphael, the album Mind Soap and Graduation. Mind Soap, one of my favorite albums. So yeah, that's it. That's everything I have ordered. So once again, huge thank you to JPFans for sponsoring me. I am very happy to collaborate with you. Remember, if you want to buy from JPFans, you can register using the link in my description and in my channel bio. By registering through it, you will get 8 shipping coupons. Thank you for watching and goodbye. By the way, I am working on a video which I think a lot of you will find interesting. It will come out soon. So yeah, goodbye.